Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got this look for you. This is my dewy spring makeup look. It's quite lightweight, glowy. I wear this on an everyday basis, sometimes with lashes, sometimes without lashes. It depends on what my plans are. If you're interested to see what products I used, then just keep watching. We're going to start with the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I just bought this and I'm really excited to use it. I've been looking at reviews for a new primer because my Too Faced ones ran out. So I was sort of searching the market and apparently this one is a dupe to the Benefit Professional Primer. So I'm quite excited to use this. We shall see what it feels like on the skin. Normally I do rub this in with a brush, but I think because it's a pore minimizing primer, I'm gonna just go in with my skin because I think that would probably be the best way to like get it into the skin. Oh, it smells very minty, like tea tree oil. It feels quite greasy. I'm not sure how that's going to work because I've got my T-zone gets quite oily. So we shall see how that feels. And I'm going to try and use I'm using all drugstore products, so it's quite affordable. I'm going to go in with foundation, so I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 250. Normally I have a darker one as well that I mix, but I can't find that, so this, I don't know if this is going to be too light. I'm just going to blend it in with my beauty blender. Oh, by the way, I already did my brows. I don't have a drugstore brow product, so I just used my normal, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and then I just went over it with the with their clear brow gel as well. Okay, there we go, that's it for foundation. I think that works really well with the primer actually. It's like, I don't know if you can see, but it's left a bit of like a dewy look. I know I haven't done my concealer, so my eyes look really weird at the moment, but I like the look that it's left me with. It's still, not everything is covered. It could be a bit fuller coverage. It did build up, but I don't want to build it up too much. I really like this combination of the primer and the foundation, so that is a plus. Moving on to the concealer, I am going to be using the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Full Coverage Concealer. I did have this in C12. It's just too dark for my under eyes right now. I am going on holiday, I'm so excited, in 2 weeks. So hopefully that will fit my skin when I'm tanned. So I just picked up the shade C11. So hopefully well, it's the next shade down, so it should be a shade lighter, hopefully. Hopefully it's a shade lighter and it's not just a different undertone as the other one, because otherwise I've just wasted another £4. So I've used the Makeup Revolution Concealer underneath, and I'm going to then use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20. Just to brighten it up, because this is quite yellow and a lot lighter, as you can see. Right, so I've had a massive mare. I've just used the Barry M setting powder, but it has, oh my god, don't. It left the worst white cast under my eyes, so I'm gonna just have to go in with my my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, which I finally bought a new one, thank god. I'm just gonna have to go in with that. I know it's not drugstore, but I was not putting that anywhere. So the Barry M one is out. We're gonna use the Laura Mercier just to set my eyelids and my under eyes. Now we're gonna go in with contour. Normally I use a powder, so I'm going to go in with my Sleek Cream Contour Kit, which I haven't used in the longest time. I'm going to probably just I'm going to go in with these 3 shades at the bottom here. I'm just going to spray my brush with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, which I'll be using for setting spray later, but just so the brush is wetter so it picks up more product, which is a trick I like to use. And then I don't rub, I just sort of like hit my brush, if that makes sense. And again, I don't like to brush this, I like to dab it to like get all the product off the brush, and then I'll go in and swirl it. Why am I tapping off my brush with a cream product? Nothing is going to come off you. Just to sort of set that cream contour that we've done, I'm going to go in with Also Sleek, the face contour kit in medium. Oh, I forgot to say that my cream contour kit is in the shade Dark. But yes, this is just in the shade Medium 885, and I'm going to go in with my MAC 168 brush. And I'm not going to go in with a lot because this is so pigmented. I'm just going in with a little bit just to set it. Oh, I did have a liquid highlighter that I was going to use, but now I've set my eyelids. I was going to use the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. I think it's quite dark. I was going to use that as a base just to make the look more dewy, but I forgot, so we're not using that today. I think I'm going to go in with highlighter. Yeah, and then we'll move on to just the eyes. I'm not going to do an eye look today just because it is my like everyday spring look, so that doesn't require eyeshadow. I just either wear falsies sometimes. Sometimes I'll wear false lashes, sometimes I won't. It just depends on what I'm feeling. Like if I'm doing something, if I'm going out with friends, then I'll probably wear false lashes. If I don't wear false lashes, I'll wear this Rimmel London Wonderfully Real mascara. It's actually got fibres in it, and I can't explain to you how long my lashes look with this. I love the way this makes my lashes look. I recommend you to try it. But anyway, back to highlighter. What if I tangent there? Oh, for the love of God. I'm going to go in with the face contour kit in the shade Medium because this has a bronzer and a highlight in it, which is so great. And I'm just going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush just to blend that in. Just taking that also down my nose a bit, just to give us a fresh, healthy glow. Which is why I wanted to use the illuminator, because that would have left such a nice look. But it's fine. It's fine. I'm also just going to take that highlighter on my inner corners and my brow bone. Okay, now that is done, I'm gonna go in with my lashes actually. If it's not these, I'll use the Ardell Wispies. Oh no, the Demi Wispies, because they're slightly shorter and I've got quite small eyes, so the Wispies just like, they're too much for an everyday look. So I will go in with the, I was about to say Rimmel then, no. The Isla lashes in number 146, I believe. So if you want to get your hands on them, here they are. Okay, so I just applied my lashes off camera. I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner now. So I'm gonna use a mix of the NYX Wonder Pencil in, the shade 03 Deep, and my Rimmel Soft Kohl eyeliner pencil in white, I guess. Just gonna mix those two together so it's not too brightening, but there's still a bit of life there, I guess. I don't know how you explain that. So I've now done my eyeliner. I'm going to now go in with mascara. This is the other alternative to the Rimmel mascara that I spoke about earlier if I don't wear false lashes. So I use the Maybelline Total Temptation. I'm really enjoying this at the moment. It's so nice, it's lightweight, easy to take off. It really separates your lashes as well. Like so many drugstore mascaras that I've used previously don't separate them, they literally just clump them all together. But I really like this one. Okay, so that's the eyes completely done now. I'm now going to go in with the lips. Now, I don't know if Colourpop is drugstore because it technically is like drugstore prices, but it's not sold in like Boots or Superdrug or those sort of shops because you can't actually get it in the UK, and it's now in Sephora. I know that's not a drugstore, but even so, I'm going to use the BFF2 liner because it's my favourite one and it's like the best nude. I've just bought a new lipstick from Makeup Revolution, if I can find it anywhere. I've never used it before, but this is the Iconic Matte Revolution lipstick in the shade Chauffeur. I don't know if this is going to be very pink, I don't know. It looks very similar to my MAC lipstick, so fingers crossed it's going to come out like that. If not, I don't know what I'm going to do, but let's just pray. Oh, it's a cute nude. Oh my god, I love it. Don't know where I put my lip gloss. It's the Soap & Glory Sexy Mother Pucker in Nude Star. I love this one. And then I'm going to use my setting spray just to set the whole look. This is the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. That's refreshing. That is very refreshing. What is it giving to me? I don't know. And there we go. That is my spring look for you guys. I hope you really like it. This is just like an everyday natural look that you can, you can wear for lunch, you can wear for brunch, which is one of my favourite things to do. If you enjoy this look, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Subscribe. I make new video. Well, I try and make new videos every week and post them every Monday. So check back on Monday to see a new video on my channel, and I'll see you next time.